So now let's see how we can work around with particle effect inside of Blender. So to work around with particle effect, first of all, I'm going to bring in an object. So I'm going to press Shift A, and in the mesh, I'm just simply going to bring in, let's say, for example, a plane. So this is what you have. You can resize this according to what you like and then work around with it. So now in order to work around with particle, I'm just going to go around right here, and then I'm going to go around into particle properties. And over here, you can see that the plane object is selected. So I'm just going to click on the plus button right here, and the particle setting has been added. I can go around, keep this onto the top, and if I were to press the play button, this is what you have. You can see that there's the particle in effect. I can go around over here, and if I were to press Shift A, go around onto mesh, circle, this is what I have as well. So you can add in particle to this as well. And then now what happens is that there's particle which comes out from the circle, as you can see as well, which is more of a straight line in this case. So I'm going to go around right here, press Shift A, and with any of the things like sphere, you can apply the particle effect. So I'm just going to go around right here, and I'm going to add in a particle, and this is how it behaves, as you can see right here. So the particle is there. You can go around, and here you can see that there's like number of seeds that you can work with. So I'm working around with the one for the sphere, as you can see right here. So you can increase and decrease the number of speed right here, or you can go around and then work around with the frame start. So right now it's from frame 1. So if I want to start from frame 20, then I can go around and then work with it. So only after frame 20 it starts the emitter. Similarly, you can set the end as well and the lifetime on how much frame it should last. So if you were to decrease this, you can see that the particle for the sphere is much less compared to the one that you see from the plane right here. So you can go around, decrease out the lifespan of it as well. So just like this, you can go around and then work around with it however you like. So you can go around right here. You can also go around and then work around with other things like velocity. So if you want to decrease out the velocity, you can decrease it out, as you can see, or really increase out the velocity right here. So that it spreads out in different areas. You can go around with the tangent and so forth. So all you need to do is work around with this and see how it actually works. You can also randomize out where the particles emit from and so forth. Work around with physics and so forth, as you can see, to change things around. And that is how you can apply particle effects so that particles actually gets emitted from different objects inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.